visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So, let's check kung anong nangyayari sa paligid-ligid. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. Again, general ito. Okay? Huwag niyo po akong awayin. Lalo na kung hindi naman nag-resonate, edi ibig sabihin hindi para sa inyo yung reading, no? So, ayan, medyo patola tayo sa mga ganyan, ha? And please also believe in the divine timing. Kasi nga naman, diba? Synchronicities actually parang nakikipag-usap na si universe sa atin. The right time, the right moment, when we need it. So, whenever you see this message, the message is also meant to find you. So, the Ace of Cups and the Six of Pentacles. Napakaganda dahil nakikita natin dito yung banter, no, ng energy. So, si person somewhat nagre-reciprocate, no? Nandun yung love. Wala pa man dun sa pinakarukrukan kasi Six of Pentacles. Nakikita natin yung somewhat may effort, no? Pero ang tanong kasi dito, yung effort ba na pinapakita nitong person na ito is genuine or parang pinapaandaran ka lang, no? So, I think that is your question. Dahil yung sa'yo, it feels very real, no? Yung ipinapakita mo, yung nararamdaman mo, real. So, I think that our question in here is, same level pa itong emotions ninyong dalawa. Kahit meron kang nakikita, siguro because of the past traumas, no? Nagkaroon ka ng mga questions sa sarili mo, di ba? Na, totoo ba itong pagmamahal? Totoo bang meron siyang effort sa akin, no? Totoo ba itong mga pagbibigay niya ng regalo, yung mga namumutawi sa bunganga niya? With the Page of Wands, it felt like medyo either nagkakilala kayo sa online, it could be online dating, it could be a social media, no? Or it could be you're using the social media for the communication. The Page of Wands in here, sort of like medyo binibigyan natin ng pagkakataon na i-express din itong ating nararamdaman. Siguro somewhat may mga post tayo. It could be direct, it could be indirect. It could also be something that sabihin natin mga parinig pa, no? But in a good way. Kasi di ba may mga parinig naman talaga na I think I love you, no? O kaya nagpo-post ka ng mga kanta, yan. Where's the Queen of Swords? I feel like meron ditong at first, naantipatikuhan, nabuburgisan, nahahanginan, no? Sa person. Again, you can switch the energies, ha? Again, this is general. Ulitin ko. Baka mamaya makipagsagutan na naman ako. General. So, Pwedeng ikaw, pwedeng yung person mo, you can switch the energies. What I am reading is the dynamic naman. So, nung una nabuburgisan, nayayabangan, nahahanginan, pero somewhat 'no, somewhere along the line, medyo sige na nga bibigyan ko ng chance 'no. Siguro naiinip lang din yung isang tao 'no, kaya sige na nga ibigay mo na nga yan sa kanya. The Four of Pentacles and the Four of Wands. I feel like the reason why you have some walls is because apart from the past traumas, sinabi mo siguro dito sa sarili mo na, um, hindi mo na ako magjojowa, 'no? Hindi mo na ako mai-in-love. Siguro mag-e-entertain lang ako for the sake of I wanna kill time, 'no? Baka naman din may potential, bakit hindi? Pero at first, meron ditong pangako sa sarili na hindi muna ako magseseryoso, hindi muna ako bibigay 'no. Um, Siguro yung plan is makipaglandian muna 'no. With the Ace of Swords, biglang nagkaroon ng, "Sandali, medyo parang feeling ko nai-inlove na rin ako. Parang feeling ko medyo, you know, tinatamaan ako." Kahit may kaburgisan, nakikita mo yung potential na kaya akong ipaglaban 'no. Medyo matalino 'no. Meron naman talagang sinabi, meron namang itsura, meron namang ipagyayabang. So, I see the potential, baka nga naman 'no, pinanganak siyang ganyan, gano'n, yun talaga yung pagkatao niya. So, you started to somewhat open yourself to the person and napansin mo yung potential niya na puwedeng maging kayo, 'no? So, with the Ten of Pentacles, hmm, dahil ba ito sa magpapasko or magno-New Year, I think that this person meron siyang plan mabago, ang inyong connection by next year kasi parang all out ibibigay nito, this season 'no, with the Ten of Pentacles. Meron itong napakagandang regalo. These regalo maybe with the Ten of Pentacles 'no, pinaglaanan ng pansin, pinag-isipan. It can also be pentacles, literally money, mahal, pinag-ipunan, or something that's very important to you. Something that you probably will feel, "Uy, sandali, parang iba ito 'no, iba itong nararamdaman ko, iba itong pinapakita niya sa akin." Papunta na yata kami sa, um, isang parang magle-level up yata kami 'no, nitong person na ito. Nadadama mo, pinapadama niya, there's something about here becoming official. So, it could be kung hindi pa kayo 'no, nitong person na ito, it felt like yayayain ka or mag-o-open ito ng topic about, bakit hindi natin totohanin 'no, bakit hindi tayo maging tayo. For those who have some issues with the person, so I'm seeing reconciliation and then a promise of, aayusin ko, mag-a-adjust ako, I'm trying or I'm going to try to change. Meron din dito mga pagkakataon siguro na sasabihin natin na, nag-i-invest na rin siya ng time 'no, ng effort kung nagloko man ito. Makikita mo yung focus niya, seriousness niya dito sa relationship. Kaya isang regalo na valuable sa'yo 'no, whether this is material, kung material man, ano ba yung favorite mo? Is it bag? Is it travel? Is it what? Shoes, what have you. Feeling ko meron naman siyang ibibigay and that's something that will make your heart happy and jump for joy, no? So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart or pwede rin naman lumabas ang zodiac sign mo, no? I am seeing Aries, Leo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, um, Virgo, Pisces. I'm seeing Capricorn. Yeah, Capricorn, nasabi ko na. Sagittarius is here. Aquarius is here. Yeah. So, this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.